Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Direct Express account. So if you'd earlier signed up for your Direct Express account in order to manage your finances and are wondering how you can log into your account, this is the video for you to learn how to do that. So for this, first of all, open up the Direct Express app that you've already downloaded on your mobile device, and as you open up the app you will land on an interface that looks like this. Here, tap on the sign in button. After tapping on the sign in button, wait for a certain while, and all you have to do is you'll have to enter your user ID in this section. Also enter your password in this section, then tap on the sign in button in order to get logged into your account. What you can also do is you can also use Fingerprint to sign in. So the next time when you're trying to log into your account, you can simply give them the fingerprint, enable the fingerprint, and not keep re-entering your password. If you want to get logged into your account, make sure that you complete all of these processes. By finishing all of these processes, within a few seconds time, you'll get logged into your own account. I hope that this video has been useful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.